Hello, fourth graders. This is Mr. A, and we're looking at our homework. We're looking at page 3 of our math homework, and Tyler, he wants to build a rectangle. Okay, so let's. Uh, he wants to build a rectangle with an area of 20 square units. Okay, so we want to see, can he build a rectangle uh, of 20 square units if he starts with 4 units? So can we get 20 out of 4? Uh, let's do a problem that is differently so that way you can still think about the homework. So let's say he wants to build an area of 30 square units, okay? So he wants to build a rectangle, and when we build a rectangle, fourth graders, the area is how much space is in this shape, okay? The area is how much space is within this rectangle. And one way we do that is by using squares, okay? So he wants to start with 4 units. All right, and in our video, we're going to see if he can make 30. Excuse me. So I'm going to start with 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I need to use multiples of 4 and see if I can make 30. So if I use 4 again, that gives me 8. If I use a third set, a third array, a third multiple of 4, I get 12. If I do 4 multiples of 4, that gives me 16. Okay, so we're counting by 4. So another set of 4. So 16 plus 4, that gives me 20. Let's do another 4. That's 24. Okay, I'm going to write on the top another 4. Oops. So just make sure you're having 4 squares each time, no more. So 4 plus 24, that's 28. And if I go 4 more, 4 more than 28, that's 32. So basically, I am over the area of 30 by 2. So can we build a rectangle with of area of 30? Can we build a rectangle that has an area of 30 with 4 units? And the answer is no. The maximum we can go to make a rectangle is 28. If we add 4 more than 28, we will get 32. So no, Tyler cannot make a rectangle with an area of 30 if he's using 4 units, okay? So the idea is the area is the space inside of a shape, okay? And we measure it in square units, okay? Area and the multiples of number there are very similar. So in another way, if we're using 4 as a factor and we take multiples of 4, are we able to get the number 30 out of 4? And the answer is no, we can't, right? We pass it. We can't get 30 with 4. So now is your turn. You can draw a model like I just did. Just draw 4 squares and keep counting by 4 and see if you can make 20. And then the other question is, he wants to make a rectangle with an area of 20 squares unit, but he's using the number 6. He's using 6 squares this time. So are you able to make a rectangle with 6 squares, I look forward to see what you guys come up with, okay? So the last question in number 4, it's asking you list the possible lengths of rectangles where you can get 32. So we can get 32, but what would be the dimensions? Like how can we get 32? What are the factor pairs? What are the factor pairs that we can use to get 32? Thank you very much for watching this video, and I hope this explains what you need to do on this page.